Hello, good day once again. This is Maestro Sani para sa ating huling topic po sa ating video series ng how a DepEd teachers can be easily promoted. So marami po tayong na-discuss at napag-aralan po tungkol sa mga bagay-bagay na pwede po nating gawin in case we are aiming for promotion. So lahat po ng mga yon ay pwedeng i-consider para po sa inyong pag-prepare ng pertinent documents for your promotion. So, ang huli po natin na criteria is humility and good leadership. Ayan. So, kailangan na meron po tayong mababang kalooban, mapagpasensya. Kailangan po natin ng good leadership. So, puntahan po natin ang ating pinakahuling criteria. Sabi nga po sa Bible, ang mapagpakumbaba ay siyang tinataas ng Diyos. So, kailangan po lagi, hindi po natin kailangan makipagsabayan ng kung ano-ano. Sabi nga, may kanya-kanyang panahon ng bawat bagay. At syempre, may kanya-kanyang panahon din po tayo ng ating promotion. Ano po? So, hindi po natin pwedeng madaliin, hindi po natin, kasi kung kailan po tayo nakatakda na ma-promote is yun. At least, what we do is, syempre, we are doing our very best in order for us to be promoted. Hindi naman po pwede yung maghintay lang tayo, kasi kung kailan, na hindi naman po ganoon. Ano po? So, kailangan pa rin po nating, sabi nga, work silently. Kasi mas maingay, sabi po nila, katulad po nung di ba, nung prutas, nung mangga na hitik sa bunga at naglalabasan, kitang-kita, maraming bumabato. Ano po? So, dapat kung kaya nating itago yung moves, kung kaya nating it's better. Sabi nga, let your achievement be your noise. Ayan po. So, ito na po tayo sa episode 10 na po tayo. Humility and good leadership. Ayan. So, ang sabi po dito, above all, humility at all costs should be your partner. Without humility, you will never get what you want. Yun. Humility comes hand in hand with good leadership. Humility is important in leadership because it fosters trust, collaboration, and positive work environment. It allows leaders to connect with their team members, promote growth, and make better decisions by considering diverse perspective. Ayan. If we make decisions, kailangan po nating gumawa ng consolidated decisions by all the stakeholders. Halimbawa, pag sa grade level po, kailangan makuha po natin yung consensus ideas ng bawat member before we will do decision making. As well as in the school, kailangan po natin makuha yung consolidated ideas ng leaders ng bawat grade level in order for us to make sound and wise decisions. Hindi po yung eto na gagawin natin, hindi po maganda yung ganun. No? Kailangan kung ano yung gagawin. Kasi we will do it as a team Hindi naman ikaw lang ang gagawa. So kailangan yung gagawin, masaya ang lahat, gusto ng lahat. Ayun po. Parang sa atin pong gobyerno ngayon, it is katulad lang yung ginawa ng ating Pangulo nung nakarang araw, nagkaroon sila ng summit with regards on how to alleviate the problems on traffic sa Metro Manila. So hindi lang siya nagde-decide. Kailangan kasi natin makuha yung consensus sa ideas ng bawat ng bawat nasasakupan natin kasi sila yung totoong nakakaalam kung ano yung tunay na situations. Ayan. And next, a leader who understands their own strengths and weaknesses and has the confidence to know that they don't know everything is more likely to seek out opportunities for self-improvement. In this way, new leaders who exhibit humility frequently become great leaders who grow schools in the future. Ayan. Mas mas nakakagawa po kasi tayo ng sound and effective decision if we do consolidated ideas uh, of all the individuals na sa atin pong nasasakupan. Alam niyo po kung bakit? Kasi sinasabi po nila, dapat nakakausap po nila kung hindi sila makago on our standards, the leader should go lower to the standards of the teacher para po makita niya kung ano yung tunay na situation. Parang sa teacher po, turo ko ng turo, English ka ng English, hindi pala naiintindihan ng bata. So how? What then? Hindi mag-gets ng lesson. Alam mo kung bakit? Kasi maraming mga burden na nangyayari on the ground na hindi nakikita kasi minsan yung mga leader natin nasa office lang, something like that. So they need to uh, extend their arms, or they need to go out and understand what is the real situation, and that is a real leader, that is a good leader. So kasi bakit po kailangan po nating leadership na siyempre as you go higher positions, you are becoming a leader. Kaya kailangan po natin ma-develop yung good leadership within us. The higher the position we hold, the greater the responsibility ang meron po tayo. So, yun lamang po. Maraming thank you. At ito po ang ating huling episode po ng ating video series on how adept teachers or how a teacher can be easily promoted. So, with that, ako pinagpapasalamat. Sana po ay mag-subscribe kayo sa ating YouTube channel, mag-share at mag-like sa aking mga videos para po sa mga future pang video na i-upload ko dito po sa aking YouTube channel. So muli, maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Thank you.